Hi there, my name is Florine and on behalf of Coastruction we are here at Deltaris today. We have gotten 2 weeks of free testing time at the Scheldvloem, the Eastern Scheldvloem, and we are using that for the reason to test our artificial reefs. And we've 3D printed artificial reefs with very complex structures, and we want to test in this Scheldvloem whether this complex structure has an influence on the wave attenuation. And we do this by performing different tests with different wave conditions, and in the front of the reef as well as at the rear end of the reef we measure the wave height, and then we can compare this wave height difference. We also measure the flow velocities within the reef, as you can see with these 3 measuring devices. We are very excited. We are on week 2 from 2 weeks, so halfway there, and it's already been very nice and good results. So yes.
Hi, I'm Nadia. I'm the co-founder of Coastruction, and at Coastruction we 3D print the new generation of artificial reef. As you can see, these are all printed with our small 3D printer, Idafix, that is being custom made by us, and is an innovative technology using powdered bed 3D printing. We use cement material, but also local materials. Like all these structures that we are testing here in Deltaris, they are being printed with a local material from Rotterdam, the sand from the river, and marine cement to make the concrete more sustainable. As you can see, for us it's very important the biodiversity side and the coastal protection. We are here testing coastal protection function in correspondence of the complexity that we can add to the structure. This one has been designed with David Lennon, our advisory board member, which is an expert on artificial reef designing and installation. So in the same structure we keep in mind stability, biodiversity addition, and also easy installation. So here you have ledges for corals, you have tunnels and hollows for different kind of fishes and species, and you have this passage for a sling or a rope to install the structure easier in the sea. This is a small scale, and we are testing in a small flume, but our goal is to 3D print bigger structures, so think big.